Hi children, welcome back to my video for Unit 5, that is angles. You will be getting this on page number 50. Today in this video I am going to cover these three subtopics. One is parallel lines, spanning angle properties, solving angles problem. Okay, many questions I have solved in my PPT and I will explain the definition also. Please go through. And the question that I left, I'm going to solve out here in this video. So here, I'm going to do question number 3 that you will be getting on page 52. Let's go through the question. In the diagram, this is the one, the size of two angles are marked. The size of two angles are marked. See that? One is 105 degree, one is 75 degree. These two angles are marked. Now, you have to find A and B. A says, what other angles are 105 degree? What other angles are 105 degree? So, you need to search what other angles are 105 degree. That is question number A. I'm going to do A. Solution. Okay. You have understood parallel line, right? Transversal. These two are parallel line. When a parallel line has been cut by one line, that line get a name called transversal. Here the transversal line is this, because this line is intersect two parallel lines. Okay, you know what is parallel line, right? They will never meet. These two lines will keep on going, will never meet each other. Okay, that is parallel line. Okay, and remember that parallel line always have the same distance. That is parallel line. You cannot say that this is parallel line. See the distance. See the distance. These two lines cannot be a parallel line, because if they keep on going, somewhere they will meet. They meet here. They cannot be a parallel line. Okay? So these two lines never meet each other. So this two line is a parallel line. Okay? It can be like this also. It can go in this direction also. It can go in this direction also. No matter. In any direction. But if they don't meet each other and if the distance between these two lines are same, they are called parallel line. And when parallel line has been cut by one line, this line, we call it transversal. And when this line, when transversal intersects two parallel lines, we get some angles. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 angles we get. And remember the properties of parallel line. Corresponding corresponding angles, alternate angles. I've explained everything in the PPT. Okay, please go through them. If corresponding angles and alternate angles are equal, yes, they are parallel. If corresponding and alternate angles are not equal, they are not parallel. Remember that. Okay. Okay. According to your question number 8, what other angles are 105 degree? Let's find out. Let's just have a look at this diagram. 105 and are same or not? Yeah, because 105 in the same side, 105 and R are same. They are corresponding angle. How? I have explained it, right? You know that. If you cover this, you see that one line and one line can same. And when you cover this, it is also same. You see that? So that's why these and these are corresponding angles. Okay. So here, R and 105 is same. That means R is also 105. R. Okay. Now, R we got it. Now, when you look this diagram, you see that R and Q is same. How same? They are alternate angle. Alternate angle. If Z shape, corresponding angle F shape. I gave you in my PPT, right? You see that? It's Z. Or it can be in this way also. Okay? Z can be in this way. Z can be in this way. Or Z can be in this way also. It still does look a bit like a Z. Only things happen here is Z has been rotated and stretched out. Okay? But still it's Z. So whenever you are searching alternate angle, try to find out the Z shape. It can be either this or it can be rotated. You know that, right? So whenever you're searching corresponding angle, always search F. Okay? So R and Q is same because of alternate angle. So when R is 105, then why not Q? Because they are same. Q also 105 degree. I got it Q also 105 degree. What else? What else? Let's have a look. When Q is 105 degree, why not U? Just have a look. Just now I told you. Straight line and one line this way. Straight line, one line this way. Same or not? You cover the diagram and check. Straight and it came this way. Straight and it came in this way. So that means Q and U also same because of corresponding angle. That means when Q is 105, why not U? Yeah. That's it. R, Q and U are 105 degree. That is the answer of A. Now your B says, what other angles are 75 degrees? What other angle are 75 degrees? Can you do that? Yeah. You find out. You try to find corresponding angles with 75. Write down. After this, again you try to use alternate angle and find which are 75. Which are 75 by alternate angle, which are 75 by corresponding angle this way. Okay? And when you get stuck, go through my PPT. Everything is there. Okay, I've explained clearly. Can you try? I'm sure you can try. Try number B by yourself and show me. If you have any doubt, you can call me out. Okay. Now, next, we'd like to do question number 6. Well, children, now I'm going to solve question number 6. Question number 6 says, look at the diagram. This is the diagram. It says, explain why AB and CD cannot be parallel line. You see that AB and CD, it shows that it is parallel, right? They never meet each other here. So, and one line has been cut here. That is transversal. What is the name of transversal? X and Y. And two parallel name is AB and CD. Has been transversal by X, Y. So the question says, prove that or explain why AB and CD is not parallel. This is what you have to prove, that AB and CD is not parallel. Okay? So how do you know that these two lines are not parallel? You use the parallel line properties. Alternate angle must be equal, corresponding angle must be equal. If they are not equal, they are not parallel. Simple, right? If corresponding angles are not equal, they are not parallel. If alternate angles are not equal, they are not parallel. Okay? This is how you have to show. It already says, explain why AB and CD are not parallel line. That's for sure that these two lines are not parallel. Confirm. All you need to do is prove it. In written words, you prove that AB and CD are not parallel. That's it. Okay? do this question. Suppose if solution, we don't know that these are parallel, right? So that's why we use if AB parallel to CD, symbol of parallel, we can use, okay? If AB parallel to CD and XY is a transversal. Then you have used if, so use then. What happened? If AB parallel to CD and XY is transversal, then obviously alternate angle must be equal and corresponding angle must be equal, right? Let's find out. You see that S and T are equal. If they are parallel, if they are parallel, S and T, they are equal. How they are equal? By alternate or corresponding angle. Corresponding angle, they are on the same side and it's under the F shape. You see that F, one, long line, one. You see that F angle, they must be equal. These are called corresponding angle. I told you, to find corresponding angle, think of F capital letter. To find alternate angle, think of Z capital letter. Okay? Well, when you have look here, you see that S and T are, then S is equal to T by corresponding. Corresponding angles, not alternate, corresponding. It's under F sec. Okay? So you know that if AB and CD are parallel, these two must be same. Now what you need to do is prove that S and T are not same. If you can prove that S and T are not same, not equal, you have proved that AB and CD are not parallel. That is your answer. Which you are trying to prove that AB and CD are not parallel. So if they are not equal, surely they are not, these two lines are not parallel. Simple, right? But if they are parallel, then these two must be same. Now let us prove that these two are not same. How? Let's do it. Okay. The question says explain why AB and CD cannot be parallel line. Okay. Okay. If like this is this, but according to the given diagram, what we see here is S and 140 is same or not? Have a look. S and 140, they are under the Z shape. Alternate angle, S and 140 is interior alternate angle. But according to the given diagram, S is equal to 140. How this happen? By alternate angles. Done. Here we go. Just have a look. S and 140 is equal. Agree? Now, you got the S. You got S 140. If S is 140, automatically T will be also 140 because these two are equal. So, S equal to T, S equal to T, that means S is 140, just now you got equals, T will be also 140. S and T are 140. Let's see. Okay, just have a look. I am going to draw this XY line. Now, you see that x, y I have drawn from here. Now I'll cut this line. See? I'm breaking the diagram into small pieces to make you understand. X, y, this is the one line going this direction. You see that? And here you have 50. Here you have 50. And S, next is S. S is 140. 140. Now what is the name of XY? There is no parallel line here. XY is a straight line now. Just a straight line. XY is a straight line. You know that? When in a straight line, the angle formed on a straight line. If you add up all the angles that form on a straight line, it will wind up in 180, right? If you add all the angles, you will get 180 degree. Let's do it. 50 plus 140 must be 180. 50 plus 140 must be 180 degree. How? Angles on is sum, you can just write sum of an angles on a straight line. It must be 180 because it's on a straight line. Whatever angle they might be, like if you add up, you have to get 180. That is the property of straight line. That's you will get 180 or not. 50 plus 140 is 190 degree, which is wrong. Which is wrong. You got it? It's a straight line, but you are not getting 180 degree. That means wrong. That is wrong. So you have proof it is wrong. So how can this A, B and C, D be a parallel line? Never. Thus, A, B and C, D is not a parallel line. That's it. We have proved. Okay. One more time, quickly recap that. Like, if AB and CD, AB parallel to CD, if AB and CD is parallel, these two lines, and XY is a transversal, then S will surely equal to T by corresponding angles. That means whatever S you get, the same value for T also, because these two are equal. Now you have to prove that these two are not equal. But according to the given diagram, S is 140. S is 140, just have a look, and that's formed by alternate angle. You just give the reason also by alternate angle. Now S equal to 2 means 140 equals to 140, because S is 140 means T also 140. When S is 140, what happened? XY is a straight line, yes? S is 140 from here, and this is 50. When you add up these two angles, you have to get 180, because it is a straight line. But when you work out, you got 190, which is wrong. And AB and CD cannot be parallel. That's it. Okay. Okay, now let's proceed to question number. The rest I have already solved in my video, right? Now I'm going to work out for question number 8. Well, children, now I'm going to solve question number 8. This is your diagram, okay? Here it says, in this diagram, there are two pairs of parallel lines. Do you agree? Two pairs, yes. One is this, and one is this. That means one pair, two pair. We have two pairs of parallel line, and this line is called transversal. This line is called transversal for this parallel line, and this line is transversal, this line also transversal for this parallel line. Okay, when two parallel lines is cut by one line, that line get a name transversal. Okay, now what is that? A, write down two pairs of corresponding angles that include the angle marked I. Where is I? It's here. Now you have to write two pairs of corresponding angle that includes I. I must be there. A. Just observe the I, and just now you think that this two is parallel line, transversal. I and which is equal? I and K is equal. Corresponding angle, right? I and K. One pair I got, I and K degree. One more. If I and K can be corresponding, then why not I and Q corresponding? Same side in F shape. Here also. Okay? So I and Q. I and Q. We're done. These are the two pairs of corresponding angles from this diagram. Okay? The next question says, write down two pairs of alternate angles that includes the angle marked O. O. Now again you have to write two pairs of corresponding angles that includes angle O. Corresponding you know? Oh sorry, alternate you know, right? That's that. When you look this, alternate of O is T. That's it. Okay, go through the PPT properly. Number B. O degree and T degree are equal because of alternate angle. What else? You see that O and J also equal. Z. Confused? No. This line I am drawing here. See? This line I will draw here. See? And this down line I will come here. See? You got two angles here. One angle and two angles. They are called alternate. So this angle is O. You see that? And this angle is J. You see that? This is how you have to find. So J and O is surely equal because they are alternate angles. O degree and J degree. Two pair of corresponding angle, two pair of alternate angle from this given diagram. Okay? Okay. Now, the rest I have done for you. Let's go to 5.2. That is question number 1 to 3 I have done for you. 4 I am going to do for you. Okay? In my PPT. Okay? Two questions. Here, 2. This is from page 55. Okay? Here it says, an exterior angles of a triangle. Exterior angle means outside the triangle. This is a triangle. Outside the triangle, the angle formed with adjacent line, they are called exterior angle. This 108 degrees exterior angle. So, an exterior angle of a triangle is 108 degrees. One of the interior angles of a triangle is 35 degrees. One of the interior means inside the triangle. Inside the triangle we have how many angles? Always 3. One is given. Find out these two. This is what the question says. A. Work out the size of the other two interior angles of the triangle. Interior angle we have 3 angles. 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle. One is given. Find out the other 2 angles. That's it. Let's do it. A. Here, okay, here triangle says. Okay, whatever is given in the questions, first mention it. Exterior angle is given. Solution. Exterior angle is 108 degrees. Is given, right? Now, one interior angle is given 35. One interior angle is 35. The other two you need to find. You don't know. If you don't know, let us just assume like x and y. Okay, let us take just x and y. And once you get x and y, you got it. Come on, let's take this x and this y. If you get x value, you got here. If you get y value, you got here. Okay, these two x and y you are searching for question number A. Okay, since you are assuming x and y by yourself, say let. Okay, it is not given in the question. X and y is not given in the question. You just say let the other two interior angle be x and y. Okay, it's not always necessary that x and y have to come there. You can write a and b also, or pq also, whatever. Okay, so let's do let the other two interior angles be x degree and y degree. Yeah, we took x and y. Okay. Now since this is a triangle, you know the angles property of triangle, right? In a triangle there are three angles. Whether the shape of the triangle be, let it be small, big, whatever, any shape. But when you add up these three angles of any triangle, you will end up by getting 180 degrees. You can prove also, okay? And you know, I guess, right? So when I add 35 plus x plus y, what will I get? 180 degrees, right? And in a straight line, if angle formed, when you add up that, you will get 180 degrees. Example, is a straight line, no angle so far. Now two angle here. When you add up these two angles, you will get 180 degrees. Sometimes another line passes from this direction, and you got now four angles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, three angles. Still then, when you add up this, you will get only 180 degrees. Let it be like this. When you add up this, you will get only 180 degrees. Let it be like this. Let it be so many angles. Don't worry. When you add up all these angles, you will get only 180 degrees because it's a straight line. Straight line has exactly 180 degree angle. When you add up all the angles, you will get exactly 180 degrees. Is that okay? Can you see one straight line here? Yes. Okay, just to clear that down, I'll draw that straight line here. This is the one. Okay. Can you see one line going this way? Correct? Inside we have y. See? That side we have 108. Do you agree? I took only this part, straight, and this line, y 180. Straight, this line, y 180. This part I just got here. What did I observe here? Straight line. And just now I told you when you add up these two, you will get 180 degrees. Okay? So here, now, y plus 180 degree, sorry, 108 degree. When you add up this, you will get what? 180 degree. How you got that? It's a straight line. Sum of the angles of a triangle on a straight line, okay? Or okay, we can say linear pair also. I gave in my PPT, please go through, okay? This happening by linear pair. In a straight line, when two angles add up and get 180 degree, the angle on a straight line or linear pair, okay? Okay, let's work out this. I'm sure we'll get the value of y. You write y here. Equals 180, you right there. Now plus 108 is on the left hand side. See, this is equal. These are left hand side and this is right hand side. So now 108 is on the left hand side. I'm going to take this 108 to the right hand side. Now see, all these are right hand side because equal is here. What happened? Side change, sign change, right? So plus 108 will become minus 108. Why? Because it was on the left hand side, now it is on the right hand side. Side change. Whenever you are changing the side from left hand side to right hand side, nothing will change, only sign will change. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. That's it. Or if you are taking any number from right hand side to the left hand side, same case. Nothing will change, only sign will change. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Just remember, side change, sign change. Side change. It was in the left hand side, now it become on the right hand side. So plus become minus. That's it. You know that, right? Y equals 180 minus 108. 180 minus 108. Do subtraction. 2, 7, 72. You see that you got y. You got y, 72. I can write here now 72 degree. Wow. Now I got two value. Only x I need to search. How will I get x? Just when you look there, if you use the angle property of a triangle, you will get 1. Just now I told you, right? When you add up this, you will get 180 degree. Add up like that, you will surely get x. That will be your answer. Okay? I'll drop this. Yeah. Now I'm going to touch this triangle, okay? 35 degree. Again, 35 degree plus 72 degree plus x. I can write here. Yes. When I plus like this, x plus 35 plus 72, x plus 35 plus 72, what will I get? 180 degree. In any triangle, let the triangle be so big. No matter if you plus this, you will get only 180 degree. Let the triangle be so small. Oh, it's hard to see, right? But still, when you add this triangle of a triangle, you will get 180 degree. It will never change. Well, when you add these three angles of a triangle, you will get 180 degree. Correct? How you got this? Angle sum of a triangle. Triangle short form you can use in mathematics volume calculation, no problem. Let's work out now. X plus 35 plus 72 is 107 degree. Add up. This 2 is done. Equal is there. 180 degrees there. You got it? X I wrote, plus I wrote. I add this 2, I got 107. So till here what is done? Equal. This is the one. 108, this is the one. 180. Here? Still I can do. Just now we have deal with something. What's that? Side change, sign change. Do it. X you write. Since you were searching X, X I wrote. Equals to 180 I will write. X is 180 degree. 107 is on the left hand side. I'm going to take to the right hand side. Now it will become right hand side because equal is here. Okay? Plus will become minus 107 degree. X equals 180 right here. Sorry, 180 minus 107. Subtract it. You'll get 73 degrees. X what you got? 73 degree. X what you got? 73 degree. Okay. What the question says? Work out the size of the other two interior angle of the triangle. Hence, the other two interior angle of the triangle are, what are they? The other two interior angle we took x and y. X and y we got 73 and 72. 73 degree and 72 degree. This is your answer. Okay. Wait a minute. Sometimes by mistakenly we might do calculation mistake. Check it out. You are not so sure that 73 is correct, 72 is correct. But you can be sure during the examination hall, you can check out and be confident that yes, I got the correct answer. How we will do that? You know that when you add up three angles of a triangle, you will get 180 degree. Not less, not more. Check out. 35 plus 73 plus 72. Is that 180? Check out. 35, 73, 72. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 in hand. 7 plus 7, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18. You see that. 180. That means you got the correct answer. Suppose when you add and when you don't get 180 degree, somewhere you have done mistake in your calculation. So quickly go and check where did you did mistake. Because when you add up these three, you are not getting 180 degree. That means you have done mistake somewhere. Go and check properly. You will find the mistake and do correction. And make sure that you got the correct answer. Okay? And this way you can also check. Okay. Now let's do question number B. Well children, question number B says, work out the size of the other two exterior angles. Wow, one exterior angle is given, 108 degree. Find out the other two exterior angle. Exterior angle means outside, not inside. Inside the triangle, we call it interior angle of a triangle. And this outside 108 is called an exterior angle. Okay. Find out the other two exterior angle. One is we know 108. Find out the other two. Let's check. Let me draw this triangle. It's up to you. Which direction you want to go. This we know. If you go this direction, you will get surely 108 degree. So don't go this side. You better come this side. Can you see this become exterior angle now? Yes, find out this. So let's take A. We don't know this, right? We'll take A. Now if this is exterior angles, what is the opposite of exterior angle? Interior angles, opposite of exterior angle. You know the formula, right? Exterior angle is equals to sum of the interior opposite angles. So this is exterior angle. What is the interior opposite angle? You just go. You just look this two line. This is exterior angle. This and this is opposite interior angle. And you know that this is 35. You agree? And you know this is 72. Nothing to do with 73 here. Because it's not opposite. Opposite of A is 35 and 72. Okay? Now we use this diagram. You will get one other exterior angle. That's it. Okay, number B. Let, since you are taking A by yourself, let one exterior angle be a degree. Got it? And you can use directly. Sum of its interior opposite angles is equal to 72 plus 35. Why plus? Why I'm adding? You see that? Sum. Sum means the answer that you get after adding more than two numbers. I'm searching sum. 72 plus 35 is 107 degree. Now I got sum of its interior opposite angle also, and I know that exterior angle also. But I'm going to search A. If you get A, that's your answer. Okay? Now, you write like this. We know that formula. What is that? How to find exterior angle of a triangle? I teach you, right? I gave the formula also. Tell me the formula. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angle. Please remember that formula. It works everywhere, okay? Exterior angle is equal to sum of the exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angle. This is the formula, okay? From class 7, 8, 9, 10, you are going to get this formula. Remember, after 10 also you are going to get. Okay? So please by heart this formula. Understand and keep in your head. Okay. Just look at exterior angle and look here what you took exterior angle. You took A. So in exterior angle place, can I write A? Yes. Correct? Done. Next, when I move, I get is equal sign. Done. So when I move next, I got sum of the interior opposite angle. Sum of the interior opposite angle. Look here. Sum of the interior opposite angle is, okay, here you got 170. What is that? Sum of the interior opposite angle is 107. So in this place, can I write 107? Yes. Got me? Exterior angle A degree equals sum of the interior opposite angle is 107 degree from here. You got it. A is 107 degree. A you got 107 degree. One exterior angle you got. Now find the other exterior angle. That's it. Because you are asked to find two exterior angles. Okay? Two different exterior angles. One they have already given. See here. One you got here. Now other from where you will get. Draw the triangle. Don't go this side, because if you go this side you will get 108 degree which they have given. Now don't come this side also, because if you come this side you will get 107 degree which you got just now. You have to extend one line here. If you extend one line, you got one exterior angle outside. Now let us take B here. Since A we took, now let's take B. Now what happened here? Again, same question, okay? Again, same one exterior angle. Now you will say other exterior angle. B degree. Okay, let me write here let, because we are taking, right? We are just assuming that let it be B. Wow, it sounds so good. Let other exterior angle be B degree. Okay. Which is the opposite interior angle? Here the opposite interior angle is this. So this and this is opposite interior angle. Do not think like that, children. Okay, just to make clear and simple, many of you are getting that. 108 exterior angle, opposite of this interior angle is, don't take the nearer one, this is adjacent. So opposite will be the remaining two, these two. Same goes here. A opposite interior angle will be, don't take near one, this is adjacent. Then the remaining two will be these two. Now opposite of this B is, don't take near one. The remaining these two is the one. Opposite interior angle. Keep like this in your mind, okay? So you will never forget. Opposite of A is, I'll just say opposite of A, okay? Opposite of A is, don't take near one, the other two. Opposite of 108 is, don't take near one, the other two. Opposite of B is, don't take near one, the other two. That's it. Okay? Now when you look here, what is that? 73. And when you look here, what is that? 72. Oh, I have done this. One exterior angle, you do other exterior angle. Now take this. Sum of its interior opposite angle and add up and keep like this. After that you do, we know that, and use the formula and inscribe like this, you will get B. Can you do that? I am sure you can do that. Try by yourself and show me, okay? And remember children, now I will come here. Here you know exterior angle is 108. Here you know exterior angle is 107. Now here you are searching. Okay? To check whether your exterior angles are correct or not. Can you do that? Can you check? Yes. The entire exterior angle, when you add up, you will get 360 degree. Wow! Add up this, and whatever you get, add up. And if you are getting 360 degree, you're correct. Your answer is correct. But when you add these three, 1, 2, 3, which you are going to get from here, okay? When you add up these three, and if you are not getting 360 degree, if you are getting more than that, or if you are getting less than that, somewhere you have done mistake, my dear. Please go and check where you done mistake in the calculation. There might be some mistake, silly mistake. Find out the mistake and fix it up. Got it?